Hello, my name is Brandon Thompson. I'm the principal at Woodland Elementary. Tonight is our open house. We are excited to kick off the 26-27 school year, welcoming all of our Eagle families back to the nest.
Hi, my name is Alexa Emerson and I teach first grade at Woodland Elementary. Open house is going great. We have a lot of wonderful families introducing themselves and their families to the school, and we're going to have a great school year. She's actually she's not first grade last
My name is Margaret Belfiore. This is my second year here at Woodland, and our open house is phenomenal this year. I've had so many parents here. I teach fourth grade reading. This is my 11th year in Hardin County, 12th year in Hardin County School District. I'm excited for the school year. I have a student teacher this year as well, Mrs. Bowley.
I'm Patsy Holland. I'm a fourth grade teacher here at Woodland Elementary School, and open house has been wonderful. I absolutely love seeing all the families come back. The kids are beaming, and I really just love the feel of community that we have at Woodland, so it's been really great. Yeah, I know. With goggles on.
Like fighting games.
Yes.